In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy comments on Instagram. So first you want to open up Instagram, and once you have opened up Instagram, you need to find a post that has that comment you want to copy. So let's say I want this one. Click on view all. And now if you can just long hold and copy it, but the way to do it is to actually take a screenshot. Now that I have taken a screenshot, go to photos and then long hold and comment. I'm going to highlight it, copy it, go to my notes, and if I paste it, here is the comment, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.